Here are the top losers and gainers on May 4, 2022. As the market closed last night, there were top tickers with max loss and gain. Here are the top 10 losers and top 10 gainers. Brought to you by Core. Let's begin with top 10 losers. Number 1, Connect Biopharma Holdings Limited, ticker CNTB, negative 57.72% change. Connect Biopharma Holdings Limited, a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company, focuses on the discovery and development of immune modulators for the treatment of serious autoimmune diseases and inflammation. Why is it moving? Connect Biopharma shares are trading lower after the company announced week 12 top-line results from its Phase 2 CBP307 trial in patients with moderate to severe ulcerative colitis. Number 2, Kezar Life Sciences Incorporated, ticker KZR, negative 34.58% change. Kezar Life Sciences Incorporated is a clinical stage biotechnology company that engages in the discovery and development of novel small molecule therapeutics to treat unmet needs in autoimmunity and cancer in the United States. Why is it moving? Kezar Life Sciences shares are trading lower after the company announced top-line results from its PRESIDIO Phase 2 clinical trial of zetomipzomib. Number 3, Lyft Incorporated, ticker LYFT, negative 33.29% change. Lyft Incorporated operates a peer-to-peer marketplace for on-demand ride-sharing in the United States and Canada. Why is it moving? Lyft shares are trading lower after the company reported Q1 earnings results and issued Q2 sales guidance below analyst estimates. Number 4, Tupperware Brands Corporation, ticker TUP, negative 31.12% change. Tupperware Brands Corporation operates as a consumer products company worldwide. Why is it moving? Tupperware Brands shares are trading lower after the company reported worse than expected Q1 results and withdrew its financial year 22 guidance. Number 5, The Andersons Incorporated, ticker ANDE, negative 26.83% change. The Andersons Incorporated is an agriculture company that operates in trade, renewables, and plant nutrient sectors in the United States and internationally. Why is it moving? Andersons shares are trading lower after the company reported Q1 earnings results. Number 6, Quad or Graphics Incorporated, ticker QUAD, negative 23.68% change. Quad or Graphics Incorporated is engaged in providing print solutions, media solutions, and logistics services from multiple locations throughout North America, Latin America, and Europe. Why is it moving? Shares of several companies in the broader industrial space are trading higher amid overall market strength as stocks continue to experience volatility from the Russia-Ukraine conflict, which has weighed on global economic sentiment. Number 7, Harvard Bioscience Incorporated, ticker HBIO, negative 18.05% change. Harvard Bioscience Incorporated develops, manufactures, and markets a broad range of specialized products, primarily apparatus and scientific instruments. Why is it moving? Harvard Biosciences shares are trading lower after the company reported Q1 earnings results. Number 8, Revolve Group LLC, ticker RVLV, negative 18% change. Revolve Group Incorporated operates as an online fashion retailer for consumers in the United States and internationally. Why is it moving? Revolve Group shares are trading lower after the company reported Q1 earnings results. Number 9, Macrogenics Incorporated, ticker MGNX, negative 16.9% change. Macrogenics Incorporated is a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company, which focuses on discovering and developing innovative monoclonal antibody-based therapeutics for the treatment of cancer and autoimmune diseases. Why is it moving? Macrogenics shares are trading lower after the company reported financial year 21 sales results were lower year over year. And number 10, Blucora Incorporated, ticker BCOR, negative 16.61% change. Blucora Incorporated provides technology-enabled financial solutions to consumers, small business owners, and tax professionals. Why is it moving? Blucora shares are trading lower after the company reported worse than expected Q1 EPS and sales results and issued financial year 22 adjusted EPS and sales guidance below estimates. Here are the top 10 gainers. Number 1, Pinterest Incorporated, ticker PINS, positive 8.13% change. Pinterest Incorporated provides a visual discovery engine that helps users to discover ideas for various projects and interests worldwide. Why is it moving? Shares of streaming, gaming, and social media names are trading higher amid overall market strength after the Federal Reserve announced it would raise the key interest rate by 50 basis points. Number 2, Full Truck Alliance Corporation Limited, ticker YMM, positive 6.24% change. Full Truck Alliance Corporation Limited, together with its subsidiaries, operates a digital freight platform that connects shippers with truckers to facilitate shipments across distance ranges, cargo weights, and types in the People's Republic of China. Why is it moving? Shares of Chinese companies are trading higher going into the close on continued volatility. Traders continue to assess the COVID-19 situation in China, which has caused economic uncertainty. Number 3, LegalZoom.com Incorporated, ticker LZ, positive 4.60% change. LegalZoom.com Incorporated operates an online platform for legal and compliance solutions in the United States. Why is it moving? Shares of companies in the broader industrial sector are trading higher amid overall market strength as traders assess Fed policy outlook, rising Treasury yields, and quarterly earnings reports. Number 4, Nordstrom Incorporated, ticker JWN, positive 3.60% change. Nordstrom Incorporated engages in the manufacture and trade of clothes, shoes, and accessories. Why is it moving? Shares of companies in the broader retail and consumer discretionary sector are trading lower amid overall market weakness as traders assess the economic impact of a potentially hawkish Fed policy in 2022. Number 5, Burlington Stores Incorporated, ticker BURL, positive 2.79% change. Burlington Stores Incorporated is a holding company, which provides customers a selection of fashionable branded products in women's ready-to-wear apparel, menswear, youth apparel, baby products, footwear, accessories, home goods, and coats. Why is it moving? Shares of companies in the broader consumer discretionary sector are trading higher as stocks rebound going into the close. Number 6, Jacobs Engineering Group Incorporated, ticker J, positive 2.76% change. Jacobs Engineering Group Incorporated engages in the provision of a diverse range of technical, professional, and construction services to industrial, commercial, and governmental clients. Why is it moving? Shares of several companies in the broader industrial sector are trading lower amid overall market weakness following Thursday's comment from Fed Chair Powell suggesting a rate hike of 50 basis points is possible for May. The Fed has indicated it may move quicker on rate hikes to curb inflation. Number 7, Curtiss-Wright Corporation, ticker CW, positive 2.53% change. Curtiss-Wright Corporation engages in the design, manufacture, and overhaul of precision components. Why is it moving? Shares of companies in the broader industrial space are trading lower as concerns over a new COVID variant weigh on macro sentiment and pressure stocks across sectors. Number 8, Western Alliance Bancorp, ticker WAL, positive 1.74% change. Western Alliance Bancorp operates as a bank holding company, which engages in the provision of service banking and related services to locally owned businesses, professional firms, real estate developers and investors, and local nonprofit organizations. Why is it moving? Shares of banks and financial services companies are trading higher amid overall market strength as traders continue to assess recent earnings reports in the space and weigh the impact of rising yields on the sector. Number 9, Hillenbrand Incorporated, ticker HI, positive 1.36% change. Hillenbrand Incorporated engages in the development, manufacture, and sale of engineered industrial equipment. Why is it moving? Shares of several companies in the broader industrial sector are trading lower amid overall market weakness as the Russia-Ukraine escalation weighs on market sentiment. And number 10, Lion Electric Company, ticker LEV, positive 0.97% change. The Lion Electric Company manufactures all-electric medium and heavy-duty urban vehicles in North America. Why is it moving? The Lion Electric shares are trading higher after the company reported Q4 sales results were higher year over year. That was the roundup of top tickers with max loss and gain. We hope you found this interesting. You can head over to Core anytime and search your favorite stock and see why it moved. Which is not only a free stock portfolio monitoring software, but also where you can find analysis comments, stock news, and more. If you benefited from this video, hit subscribe, leave a comment and give it the thumbs up. Have a suggestion? Let us know. Thanks for watching.